show us what we're doing today.
RX8 seats to go with the 13B rotary sort we're putting in the Defender.
So this is the plan today. I picked these up from Wales a few weeks ago. These are Mazda RX8 seats.
Apparently it's a thing, right?
Yep, this is apparently a thing to do in Defenders.
These are heated as well, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
That's gonna be nice.
Heated
Very
seats.
nice.
And look at this, we got a clean workshop as well.
Yeah, that took us all day yesterday.
Yep. Get the Defender in, scope it out.
Take the seats out, have a look what we got to do.
Yeah.
Sick, let's do it.
This is the current interior seat setup. They're not the worst seat in the world. They are really comfy, but over 2 hours, your back starts killing.
Yeah.
Plan is, we got 4 bolt holes in the original, and they are not gonna line up with these. So we're gonna have to like fab up some mounts. We have got some 6mm steel. So we're thinking we're just gonna cut these in half, drill some holes, make sure this fits inside the Defender, and then we might just weld this to the bottom of that.
I think that's the general idea, isn't it? The rotary thing, right? That's like the donut from a rotary motor.
That's the rotor.
The rotor, yeah.
Step 1, seat out. That was one piece, then this is one piece, and we basically just got 4 of these bolts. Center of that hole, the center of that hole, bang on 44. If we go from that rail to that rail, center of there to center of there, about 44. How long is this? That's 41. Lengthwise, 44. So width is perfect, we just need to extend the length. We can't really do anything until we've got rid of these things and these things. So let's get the grinder out and do some cutting. I don't know what Jack's been grinding with this, but it's pure rust. Look at the color of that. Jesus. This is 6mm steel. This is 1 meter of it. Out of one piece of that, we're gonna make the seat base, because that length there, the end of the box there, that is 47. And he's marking 47 twice on there, like that. I'm gonna cut that. So, 47 centimeters. Banging. That one.
That's good.
There. Like that. These are going to bolt into that hole there.
Or do we have holes?
And that hole there. Sweet. All right, that is plate 1 in. Both sides bolted in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to place the seat on that, weld it in. I am so buzzing for this. We just got to clean up the bottom of that and then we'll weld them. But first, before we do that, we have a sponsor of today's video, a new sponsor, which is Athletic Greens. Yeah. Today we're going to be talking about the AG1. AG1, that thing, all you need.
All you need for everything.
All you need in life. It is a nutritional drink. Comes in powder form. You mix it up, drink that every morning just before you eat, and you will basically be much healthier.
1 spoonful straight in your body. Bang some water in. Better give her a good shake, and
Whoa, we got a live one. So green and healthy. Fruit salad.
Do you reckon that's what it smells
literally smells exactly like the fruit salad sweets. That's it. You're healthy for the day now. It'll make your mental clarity better. It's going to support your immune system. It's going to boost your energy levels throughout the day. It's going to make your gut health better, and it's basically just a lot easier to take than 75 other vitamins and minerals, because you can just open this, pour it in a drink, drink it. Done. If you click my link down there, you get the monthly subscription box. But also, if you click my link, you get one of these, which is a free year supply of D3 and K2.
500% your vitamin D for the day.
For the day.
500%.
You get 5 of the travel sachets as well. So if you click my link, you get 5 of these free, and you get a year's supply of the good stuff. Spot on. Shout out to Athletic Greens for sponsoring this video. Legends.
Legends.
We are just going to do a little side quest because I hate this bit, the fact that it's silver.
Yeah, it looks gash.
And it just looks a bit tacky, so we're going to see if we can take it off and just paint it black.
Huh.
Couldn't have done a better job myself. That was lovely.
Unreal.
I'm very, very happy with that.
Yeah, they look really smart.
That looks way better, doesn't it?
It does look way better.
Next thing I want to do is, these have airbags. I don't know if you can see the side thing there.
Here.
Yeah, so they're the airbags. We haven't got airbag wiring. I'm not going to run airbags. And we need to get rid of them because when I start wiring up all the heated seats and stuff, I don't want to be popping airbags.
Air baggage, writing seats off.
Yeah, so let's figure out how to get rid of that.
Guess that unit just pops out of there with all them, and that.
Those 3 bolts there.
No, don't feel no.
Nice, that's what we need. We're just going to keep that, bin that, wire it up and
Blow something out.
yeah, blow something up.
Anyway.
Now there is no airbags in the seats, so we're not going to get probed. Next issue is, now that we've cut all the tabs off the passenger seat, it doesn't actually sit flat. That's like the flatness there that we want, but it just is balancing on this. Like that, it just peaks out there. So we're just going to whack this bit with a hammer.
No, it's not.
No?
Don't think it is now.
Chuck it in the car. Let's have a look.
Oh yeah, baby.
So we're just going to lay the seat on the rails that we made, get it in the right position, tack it in, pull the whole thing out, then weld it properly. Gas on, weld it on. All right, ready?
Yep.
All right.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
So I'll go around that side now.
Yep.
Kneel on the corner, see if you can get a weld. Go on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Goggles under the welding mask. Double health and safety. I ain't going anywhere, are they? Yep, they're welded.
They ain't going nowhere.
Just whilst the metal's hot. Dry quick and nice. Oh yeah, actually melting.
It's like trying not to hold the hot metal, but also can get a grip of it. It's just not easy. What's wrong with a couple of side mounts, universal side mounts, and a pair of Recaros?
About $2,000. Now we got the horrible job of trying to get those bolts back in. So we will see you in 20 minutes when that's done.
Forward, backwards, recline.
Oh yeah.
Unreal.
That is good. Oh, that is so comfy actually, isn't it?
Too bad, is it?
That's way better than it was.
Nice. Sweet day. It's a cold morning in Gloucestershire.
This is how you make paint dry quick. Paint 200-degree metal. Fresh out the welder. It's just evaporating. Do me a favour and just snip.
The whole lot? You sure yellow?
Yes.
Okay. 100%?
Yep.
How sure are you?
100%.
Okay, well.
Snip the yellow wires, just cut them off. Little beanie transition. That's a lovely beanie. Should we give away a beanie?
Yeah, we should.
Yeah?
What you got to comment is, when you're brushing up, should you push or pull?
Do you mean using a broom?
What did I say?
When you're brushing up?
Brushing up?
Yeah, that's very very tradey, that is.
Is it?
Yeah.
When you're using, well, what do you say?
sweeping.
Sweeping up. When you're sweeping up, do you push the broom or pull the broom?
This beanie here. Look at that. Lovely. If you want to win one of them, just drop a comment down below and comment if you're a puller or a pusher. Or comment, we have a bunch of scaffolding stuff to make a scaffold tower out there. What do you reckon we're doing?
Something crazy.
Drop a comment. Comment what you think we're going to be doing and you will win a beanie. I'll pick a random person to win that. Also, that is the winner from the last giveaway we did.
So heavy because it's a lecky.
There you go.
Oh. Done.
Done?
Seat's done. Thanks.
Yeah, that looks so good.
That's unreal.
Yeah, they feel unreal.
Yeah, they're nice.
Very different though. Like, I think we're like the tiniest bit higher up. I wouldn't want to be any higher though.
Couldn't make them any lower either, could we?
Nah. Couldn't make them any lower, but I'm glad we didn't put box section on. Comfy?
I like them.
I like them. Oh yeah.
Do look good, don't they?
Yeah, they look very good. Oh yeah. We got the two seats back out again. Drivers is electric, so we got electrics to do for that. And also we got heated seat for both. So we got three things. We're gonna get some relays. So these are fused relays. Driver's controls, electric. Driver's heated seat, passenger heated seat. So these have a little tab like that. And we're gonna just self-tap them into the battery box. All right, relays are in.
All stepped lovely.
Yep, nice and in line. So now we just gotta wire them up. There's a little cheat sheet. So we're gonna figure that out. Bock and Andy's loom creation table here.
Yeah.
So this is a little thing. We've got two battery terminals on the end, positive and negative. And then these are gonna go to the relay. And because we've got three relays, we've got 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 looms. Probably could have all done it to one, but I'm just gonna be safe. All right, so update. It's been quite some time. We've got the relays, and they are all connected to the battery. And then we've got 3 wires here going up to the dash. So we're gonna have heated seat switches, and then one's gonna go to the 12 volt. So this is the driver's seat. Under here we got all the wiring, and we've extended it. This wire coming out, and that is the controls. And then this wire coming out is the heated seat. Nice. And they're gonna go in that box. I bought these puppies. And they're gonna go on the carling switches. Yeah. Heated seat. Heated seat.
Little batty warmers.
So now we've just got to wire them. So for now we just got the heated seat switches wired. Positive, negative coming off. They're chained. So we just got to find a switched 12 volt source, which we already found, and a negative.
Let's do it in the car.
Let's get it in.
Alright, ignition's on.
Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, daddy.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, does your seat move?
Yeah.
Right, we got electric seats and we got heated seats.
Unreal.
So let's put it all back together. Right. There we go then. RX8 seats in a Defender.
Don't do it.
How annoying was that?
Keep the OEM ones.
That actually took ages.
Yeah, it was such a faff.
So we got the heated seats working. We just sat in them, tested them.
Yeah.
This one's definitely hotter than that one, but they both work.
And then
And the Lecky seat works. Drop a comment down below and you'll win that beanie, and I will see you in the next video. Don't ever attempt this.
nah, don't do it.
Don't do it. Keep the OEM seats. Keep the backache. Keep cold seats. It's not worth it.
Just make a hot water bottle or a wheat sack.
Yeah, something like that. Nah, these are mint. I'm so glad we've done them, but Jesus Christ, that sucked.
It's not fun.
Not fun.
Oh well.
And on that positive note, I'll see you in the next video.
Peace out.
Peace out.